Welcome to Ask Global, your South Asian business hub. Let's take a quick tour of Karachi, Pakistan's lively city. Imagine bustling markets, tasty food, and friendly faces. From tall buildings to old places, Karachi meets history with today. Walk its busy streets, where every corner has a story. It's a place where old meets new, and every moment is alive with energy. As you wander through its bustling streets, you'll encounter a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to the city's dynamic energy. From the tranquil shores of Clifton Beach to the hustle and bustle of Sadr, Karachi is a city that never sleeps, where every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. Karachi's used clothes market is a big place where you can find lots of clothes that people have used before. It's like a giant treasure hunt waiting for you to explore and find cool stuff. People from countries like Europe and the USA send their old clothes to Karachi as gifts. These clothes come in really big trucks and containers every single day, showing how nice people are all around the world. When you go into the market, you'll see tons of different things, not just clothes. There are toys, shoes, and all sorts of other stuff packed into trucks and containers, just waiting for someone to come and check them out. Inside the big warehouse, there are rows and rows of clothes neatly lined up. You can find all kinds of things there, like shirts, jackets, hoodies, and clothes for kids and ladies. And guess what? They're all super cheap. The market has so many different clothes to choose from. It's like a giant closet with something for everyone. You can pick clothes that match your style, no matter what you like. Meet the person who runs the warehouse. They're really proud of all the stuff they have, and they'll show you around and tell you stories about where everything came from. Behind the scenes, there's a lot of work that goes into making sure the clothes are good quality. People carefully check each piece to make sure it's nice before putting it out for us. Whether you're from around here or from far away, our company, Ask Global, can help you buy or sell clothes. We make it easy for everyone to get what they need. Lots of people trust us because we've been doing this for a long time and we've made a lot of people happy. So, you can count on us to help you out. Come join us on a journey through the exciting world of Karachi's used clothes market. There's so much to see and discover, and we can't wait to share it all with you. At Karachi's bustling used clothes market, we offer the convenience of bulk purchasing through bales or by weight, ensuring that you get the most value for your money. Whether you're looking for clothes, toys, shoes, or any other items, we've got you covered. With our LCL, less than container load, shipping option, we make it easy for you to receive your package right at your doorstep, no matter where you are. Our streamlined shipping process ensures that you get your goods quickly and efficiently, all at the lowest prices available. So, whether you're a local buyer or from afar, you can trust us to provide you with quality products and hassle-free shipping solutions.